Okay, this is going to be a pre-purchase inspection over here in Northeast St. Pete. I believe it's Bay Point, Bay Point Drive, Northeast. I could have that slightly wrong. But we are on the further stack from the main line, and this is going to be a 2-inch stack. So I'm trying to get the orientation because this is a corner lot, so it's not really a front side, back side to the house. But I'm the furthest away from the garage door, and I'd like to say I am on the most northern part of the actual house. So I'm trying to get my camera to go down this line so that way we could get a better visualization of what's going on. So that was a 2 to 3 combo. Now we're on the main line here. Very short-lived. And there goes another 3x3 combo. So everyone thought that there was going to be cast iron underneath, PVC underneath the house, but it is cast iron. But it's in perfect shape. I can tell that this house has been occupied basically its whole life so far, because usually when a house sits for too long, you get a lot of cast iron buildup. In this case, this is really good looking. Holding a little bit of water. And that's pretty much what I thought. It's because it's just the toilet paper that's in the line. See it right here. Right now, this is during the whole COVID-19 situation, so it's likely that people are using the incorrect toilet paper. Everyone always asks me what kind of toilet paper they should use. I recommend using Scott's 1001 ply. Though it is not comfortable, you could still use more of it. It's all about how the toilet paper pretty much disintegrates or disperses. And that would be Scott's 1001 ply. Now the other brands such as Charmin, Angel Soft, and Continental, those don't break down as fast as Scott's does, and so it just clumps up in the line like we are seeing. So this is actually going to be another combo tying into the rest of the run going out. There we go, we made it through that turn. The good news is that at this point, with how my camera is running, I am really inspecting everything at this point in this house, because this is the last point of the flow. Again, so far everything is cast iron. Looks to be in awesome condition here. Forgive me, the counter's on the bottom left, so you can see I pushed out approximately 54 feet. And this is going to be as far as I'm going to be able to push. I'd like to say that I'm really close to where the main 4-inch or 3-inch vent stack is that's in front of the garage, or for better reference, near the kitchen laundry room. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pull back, and we're going to inspect this line as I pull back. We can see here that everything still looks to be in awesome condition. As we pull back, we're going to see a little bit of waste in toilet paper. And the only reason why we're seeing a little bit of the water is because it's just being held up by the toilet paper and waste. Not really a big deal, honestly. Doesn't mean that there's anything wrong, it's just the type of toilet paper that's in the line. Also too, I haven't taken a look on the inside of the house yet to see what kind of toilets you're using. If it's a low flow toilet, that would definitely be also another issue. Doesn't mean it's bad. It's just that it's if there's this bathroom below me, it's 55 feet, and we're still underneath the house at that point. So the water has to travel that far and carry the toilet paper and waste, which is an extremely long run. Once I get to the base of this stack, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video. Okay, so right now we're going to be at the base of the main vent stack. Definitely looks to be 3 inches. Again, this is going to be to the right of the garage on the roof. And here is the PVC that they were mentioning about. That PVC section was just a short-lived section. Goes right back to cast iron. This cast iron is in beautiful shape. I mean, almost near perfect. So my camera head literally rests on the bottom of the pipe, so what looks like a lot of water is not. You can see the full diameter of the pipe still, which is awesome. So there is going to be the test tee that is outside the house. So we should be leaving the house now. We're going to take a 45 turn. Let's see if we can make this turn. There we go. And another turn. I don't know if I'll be able to make this one as well. There we go. And that's going to be as far as I'm going to be able to push it. So far, everything underneath the house looks to be in beautiful shape. It's not holding any water to be concerned about. And it looks like everything underneath the house is cast iron, but one small little section that has been made a repair of PVC at some point. So we're going to go ahead and just pull back and take a look at the line. Everything here is perfect. I really like this sewer line here. I don't think it needs any kind of servicing whatsoever. Now, I know I couldn't get out to the city tap, but if there was an issue, it would be holding a substantial amount of water because this house is currently occupied. So if there was an issue, it would definitely show itself. I mean, almost 100% perfect. I mean, it's just, the only thing that doesn't make it perfect is just, it does have the typical age and showing of cast iron. But, I mean, as far as roundness goes, it's 100%. As far as cast iron flakes and debris, it's little to none. You can see slight buildup on the side, but this is nothing compared to most homes that we see. Again, I would just keep in mind the type of toilet paper that you guys use here, what kind of toilets that are in here with the volume size. You always want to make sure you have as much water volume as possible per flush. This will conclude the video. Thanks for watching. Again, I don't see any issues here whatsoever. Small little section of PVC just shortly after this, the main 3-inch vent stack on the roof. And then everything else here is cast iron going out from the house, and I can't really inspect, but I'd assume that it is cast iron going out to the city tap unless it's been replaced with PVC.